Solve the equation x squared minus 7x equals 0. So what's important? Solve and this equation. Now we looked at one of these earlier, and this is very difficult because it has an x here and an x here. But this is actually an x squared and this is an x, which means I'm not going to be able to solve it by rearranging. So I've got to think of something else first, and the first thing I'm going to do is factorise it. So remember we looked at factorising earlier. What goes into both terms? This term, x squared, and minus 7x. Well, there's no number in both parts, but there is an x in each part. And we know x squared is x times x. So x times x would give us that x squared. And x times what will give us minus 7x. Well, remember there's a multiplication sign in here. So x times minus 7 will give us minus 7x. That equals 0. Don't forget equals 0. That's what helps us to solve it. Now before we said 0 times 3 zeros are 0, 5 zeros were 0, and 29 zeros were 0. So remember last time we said that meant because the brackets mean times, either this or that must be 0, because 0 times a number will give us 0 as our answer, or a number times 0 will give us 0 as an answer. So let's just see. So x can either equal 0 or x minus 7 can equal 0. But I want to know what x equals. So I need to solve that. And I keep saying BIDMAS, addition or subtraction. We're starting here. We have an addition or a subtraction, and it was minus 7. We're now going to plus 7 to both sides. So we have here x equals 7. So we have x equals 0, x equals 7. Let's write it nice and neatly for an examiner so they can see x equals 0 or 7. There you are, full marks.